So hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video. So sorry for not posting in such a long time, but unfortunately due to the nasty weather, because here it's winter time, I could not have enough time to work on my car. So yeah, not so much videos regarding BMW E90s, but I want to reinvent this channel, and in the past months I'm trying to find old stuff, or especially electronics, which I'm trying to repair in my let's say laboratory. So today I hope you will like this type of videos. I don't have so much experience on electronic or mechanical engineering, but with the experience that I have, I will try to repair the stuff that I'm buying on cheap. So this time I went to the local flea market and I bought one audio amplifier. This is the one. As you can see, it's very dirty, has a lot of corrosion, and inside I can see from here it has a lot of dust. Also a lot of corrosion here on the plugs, the input plugs, and also here for the ground, for the phono, I see a lot of rust. So I will try to repair this as much as I can, and let's hope it will be a success. This is an JVC, I don't know if you can see it. Sorry for my lighting, this is the first time I'm doing this type of videos here in my my service area. So this is a JVC AX142. This is a stereo integrated amplifier from 1991, and it has a tape monitor, a tuner, a phono input and CD video sound, a balance button, and also a bass and treble potentiometer, and also a power button. So first of all, let's try and open it and see what's inside. From what I see here, it's a lot of dust. So yeah, let's open it. So sorry guys about the lighting. I have here only one bulb, but in the future I will invest in some professional lighting, so you can see more exactly what I'm doing here. But for the moment, just bear with me. I will explain to you step by step. Okay, so 3 screws here and 2 on the side. This pops up. Yeah, no problem. And yeah, you can see, maybe I will zoom in a little bit, a lot of dust. Okay, so by the looks of it, dust means no one worked inside it for a long time. Let's hope no one had services that this never. So sorry for the noise. I will start my vacuum cleaner. Yeah, so it looks like I was unsuccessful trying to vacuum this dust because due to the low space here, and my vacuum cleaner is not going inside this, so I will rely on my trusty oh my god, this is now so nasty. Okay, I will come back after this is done. Okay, so I managed to take the dust, the big dust away with my trusty brush. I noticed already very interesting heatsink here. I never saw this type of heatsink before. And also the amplifier transistor, I don't know if you can see it. STK, one big one, STK 4141 stereo amplifier. Let's hope this one will work. Okay. Okay, so let's shortly inspect the board. See already, first of all, inspecting the capacitors. We don't have any bulged capacitors. The ones here. Here are some electrolytic capacitors. So these are the first to go when a power surge is imminent. So yeah. Also there's no burning resistors. So right in front, I don't see, from the first sight, I don't see any problem whatsoever. Nevertheless, I didn't try to test this, so I never put it in the power socket. First, I wanted to clean the dust away, because you know dust can be a very good conductor, electric conductor, if it's in a moist medium. So yeah, here is the fuse. We have the fuse here. Also the fuse looks okay. Let's inspect it. Yeah. Yeah, looks okay. Good. Let's try to clean it with some isopropyl alcohol. Give it a good brush. And yeah, make the first test with it, because I don't see any major problems on the board. Okay, good. Let's see. Yeah, by the way, the guy who sold me this gave it to me with, I think, the equivalent of 10 euros. And he told me that as he knew, there is no problem with it, but he never tested it for a very long time. As I mentioned, this is an amplifier from 1991, so it's a very old, but a very good quality one. Okay, so let's put it in the power socket. Let's see if it works. Okay, so we have power, we had a click, the power LED is on. Let's hook it to some speakers and some input, and let's see the outcome. Okay, so we have power. This is good news. Okay, now so we can finally test this. First, let's attach the speakers, and this is the left speaker, so we will put it in here. Finger crossed it will work from the first time. Okay. And the right speaker. Okay, so we have the speakers attached, and now for the input, let's find some not uncopyrighted music on the internet, because I don't want to get any complaint from YouTube. You know, the same old story with copyright. And let's put it on sound phono video CD. Let's put it on CD, right? These are really corroded, so I will have to clean this corrosion. But for now, it's okay. Like this. Let's take the signal from the laptop and find some NCS. Okay. And the first one that comes. Okay. Of course, some advertising. Then, okay, good. Of course, we have to put it in the socket. To be honest, I don't hear anything. Success! Success! By the sound of it, both channels are working, but I hear some static noise when I work this volume control. I don't know if you can hear it through my stinky mic. Also, the bass works, the bass potentiometer works okay. Let's see the treble. Yeah, works nice. And let's see also the balance. hear this? So it has a lot of corrosion. I will have to open this all up and clean it with some isopropyl alcohol, and then I think it
Mexican cream.
okay. No, not okay. I think we have a working amplifier. I will open this up and clean it with some rubbing alcohol, and then put it all together, clean it again, just to have a great looking device. And I think we're super. So let's go. Let's see here. Actually, I see we have a problem. Back in 1991, there was no connectors connecting different parts of this amplifier, so everything looks like it's soldered together here. So I don't like this. But nevertheless, I think we can somehow get this off. If we can open it from here, so the front panel looks like we have here some screws. Okay, am I missing something here? Yeah, there are two more screws here. I think actually three. Oh, come on. Okay, so we have to take apart also the legs or the stands, how do you want to call them? Oops. Okay, no problem, we will clean that also, the dust. And the last one, I think this is on. Okay, and we should be able to get this front panel out. Yep. Yes, we have. We need to work here on this specific part. Here is the volume control and the balance. So let's pop this out. Let's see if there are some screws here. So I don't see any screws. There's a lot of dust. Okay, so we have to pop out this knob. Okay, the knob is out. We will refurbish this nicely. And here I see. So we will have to unscrew this, and then we will be able to get out the volume control knob from here. Okay, for this we will need a little plier like this. Actually, this is going nice. No force is needed. And from this side we are able to, this is it. Good. Super. Let's focus this like this. Okay. Let's try to remove all the dust from here as much as we can. To be careful not to damage the capacitors, because I see two capacitors here. Also here is soft dust. If you manage to open it, then it's a good idea to also clean it. Good. And let's take some contact cleaner, or you can use some isopropyl alcohol, but this is in a can, so it's easy to reach unreachable areas. So let's okay. Good. I think this is fine. The contact cleaner has vaporized already, so it looks okay. Good. Let's quickly test it. I think it's a good idea to test it before put it back together. Okay, so let's connect it to the outlet and connect the speakers. And the source, because we need a source. Okay. Yeah, we have power. We have some static. Still sounds like there is some static. Okay, so we have to still work on it. Could be that this potentiometer could be faulty due to the corrosion inside, but let's see if we can manage to okay. I already hear some improvement from the first time. Okay, so I see if I continue to work this volume knob constantly, I think the static will disappear. Here it is, somewhere at 70%, something like that. Okay. Okay, let's disconnect it from the outlet and give it a little bit more contact cleaner. And here with this volume knob, I don't know how to, I think if I try to spray it directly inside where the contacts are, inside the volume knob. So maybe this would be successful. Okay, if this doesn't work, then I think it's a faulty volume knob, and it will need replacement. But for the time being, I think it sounds already better than first time, so I will let it be for the moment. If I don't like it, then I will try to find a replacement knob. Okay, let's try to put it together. Okay. Okay, let's try to put this together. I'm so sorry guys that you cannot see exactly what I'm doing here, but just to explain, I'm tightening this this screw up here. So this is the first video of this kind for me, so I don't have the necessary lighting here, but yeah, in the future I will try to manage somehow to resolve this also. Okay, and this will be interesting, trying to put this all together. Okay, so I think everything is in place. Let's try to screw everything back together. Okay, good. Everything is in place. Let's try to just clean it a little bit. Maybe a good idea would be to clean this, the input connectors here. So as you can see in the back, it's pretty straightforward. Two outputs. This is a 75 watts output, made in Tokyo, Japan. Yeah, we have a phono in with the phono ground, and yeah, CD or video or whatever tuner, and tape with recording and play. So if you have a tuner tape deck, you can also record through this. Okay, let's try to clean this because they have a lot of corrosion. And first of all, I will do it like this. Guys, you cannot imagine what I'm removing from these plugs. Okay. Super. And now let's put everything inside. Still see here some dust. Good. So I'm very happy with this this find. And that also I'm satisfied that it works. And yeah, I will not keep you longer for the cleaning and restoring part of the shell. But yeah. Sorry for the lighting. I hope you like this type of videos. I will try to do it more often. Please comment in the comment section below if you like it or if you have some suggestions. And yeah, let's see us together in another video. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.